Good morning friends. Today I am going to talk about time series. So time series is a set of statistical observations that are arranged in a chronological order. In other words, it is a statistical data that are recorded and observed over successive increments of time. That is called time series. So what are the components of time series? We have four components. Secular movement. First one is secular movement. So secular movement is nothing but the general tendency of the date to increase or decrease, called as secular movement. And second one is seasonal variation. So changes that are taking place during the 12 months as a result of changes in climate, weather, etc. That is called seasonal variation. So first one is secular movement, second one is seasonal variation. And changes that are taking place as a result of business cycle like boom, recession, depression, recovery, that is called as cyclical variations. And changes that are taking place as a result of certain forces which are unpredicted, which we cannot predict, then those forces are called natural disasters like flood, earthquake, etc. and they are called as irregular or erratic variables. So these are the four components of time series, that is secular movement, seasonal variation, cyclical variation and irregular or erratic variables. Now we will see about the secular movement. So the secular movement, we can find out the changes in the increase or decrease in the data by four methods. The first one is freehand or graphic method, second one is semi-average method, third one is moving average method, and fourth one is method of least squares. So through these four methods we are finding the secular movement. So first freehand method. Freehand method is nothing but the statistician, he is in charge, he himself decide about the changes, that is called as freehand method. And second one is seasonal variation. Seasonal semi-average method. Semi-average method is nothing but if we have 6 numbers, the first 3 and the second 3 we are just dividing as first 3 as first part and second 3 numbers as second part, and first 3 numbers we are adding and dividing it by 3, and the second part we are adding the 3 numbers and dividing it by 3, and that is called a semi-average method. And moving average is nothing but 3 yearly moving average, 5 yearly moving average. Likewise, we have to add the numbers and we have to take average with the same number. That is called moving average. And method of least square is nothing but it is just like finding out or drawing a straight line. So yc is equal to a plus bx, where a is intercept and b is slope. We are just fitting a trend line for the changes. That is called as trend line. Thank you.